In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks to users in Wrike. By the end, you'll know exactly how to put the right work in the right hands, without confusion or extra clicks. Start by opening the task so you're looking at the item view. This is the detailed page for a single task, where you can see its title, status, dates, description, attachments, and activity. If you're browsing a project or folder, simply click the task's name to bring up this view. Think of the item view as the command center for that task. Everything you need to manage ownership is right here. Near the top of the task panel, find the assignee control. It usually appears as a person icon or a button labeled Assign. This is where you connect the task to the people responsible for doing the work. Click it to open the selection menu. If you don't immediately see the person you're looking for, don't worry. Wrike makes it easy to search. In the menu that opens, either pick someone from the visible list or start typing their name to filter results. As you type, Wrike narrows the options so you can quickly pinpoint the correct teammate. If more than one person has a similar name, use the avatar or the additional context you see to confirm you've got the right person. If you can't find someone at all, it may mean they don't have access to your account or the relevant space, so double check with your workspace admin. Once you click the correct name, Wrike assigns the task to that user, and depending on their notification settings, they'll be alerted automatically. If the task requires shared ownership, you can select multiple names. Multi-assigning is helpful for work that spans roles or needs parallel effort, like design and review happening at the same time. Just keep in mind that everyone you add will see the task in their personal to-do lists, so choose collaborators intentionally. Assigning more than one person doesn't change the task itself. It simply makes responsibility clear across your team. That's all there is to it. Open the task to access the item view, click the assignee button in the task panel, choose the right teammate from the list or by typing to search, and add additional assignees if the work calls for it. With these simple actions, you ensure accountability, improve visibility, and keep your projects moving smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Wrike.